So the Bayview Heights to White Rock underground cable project is 2.7 kilometres of high voltage underground cable, provides critical power supply for Cairns. We found that there are tree roots that were encroaching on the underground cable, which posed a significant safety risk. So we needed to do some vegetation management, and that involved removing 385 trees and also refurbishing 3 of the joint bays located along the easement. Community consultation was hugely important. We're in a very heavily residential area along a walking path that has a high usage rate. So letting people know where they could help inform the delivery of the project, but also have a say in terms of what they could see as a replacement for the removal of the trees was vital to the success of the project. Types of insights and concerns that we heard from the community. The big one was the loss of shade with the removal of the trees, impacts to visual amenity, concerns around what type of amenity would be brought into the easement and also what type of species were going to be planted as a result. So we narrowed it down to 1 shade shelter with 9 park benches and 4 water bubblers with dog bowls. So key considerations around selecting the type of infrastructure along the easement was a lot of discussion with Cairns Regional Council about what was suitable for the easement and suitable for the area, and also around what types of species that would be compatible with our underground cable. Looking ahead, the type of impact that we hope that this project has on the local community and the environment is a positive one. It's about encouraging use, different types of use for the area, but also attracting new and different types of species, bird life, insects that residents who live here can come out and enjoy when they go on their walk.